Press and hold the center power button to power on the bike. Hold down the plus and minus buttons simultaneously to reach the settings menu. Scroll down and press the center button to select the battery lock page, and then press it once again to unlock and eject the battery. Place your hand below the battery to support it. Once the top end of the battery is disengaged, press the handle to release the battery and lift it out of the bike. With the bike inverted, cut the zip tie securing the motor cable to the frame, and then disconnect the motor connection by pulling the two motor connection plugs apart. Use a 2.5mm hex wrench to remove the 3 ACU cover bolts. Remove the cover. Use a 2.5mm hex wrench to remove the two bolts that secure the controller cover plate. Lift up the controller cover plate to access the cable connections. Unplug the 5th cable plug and then remove the small cover plate. Use a 3mm hex wrench to remove the bolts securing each of the 3 cables to the controller. Note the color coordination of the cables to the label on the controller. Remove the motor wire harness from the bike. Swap the harness. Feed the motor hub connection into the battery compartment and out of the ACU opening. Reconnect the pink motor harness plug into the controller by aligning the arrow and firmly pressing the plug into the controller. Follow up by reconnecting the 3 bolt-on connections. Be sure to match the colors to the designated position shown on the label. Replace the small cover plate and guide the controller and cover assembly back into the frame of the bike. Reinstall the 2 controller cover plate bolts using a 2.5mm hex wrench. Replace the ACU cover plate and install the 3 mounting bolts with a 2.5mm hex wrench. Ensure all 3 bolts are threaded in before final tightening. Reconnect the motor cable connection by aligning the arrows on the plugs and firmly pressing the connection together. Replace the zip tie to attach the cable to the frame. Trim the excess zip tie. Reinstall the battery by inserting the bottom first and pressing the top to lock it in place. Press and hold the center power button to power on the bike. Press the plus button to enter a PAS mode and test the motor function by pressing the throttle with the wheel raised off the ground. Ensure the bike functions properly before riding.